Good evening, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So I am going to be comparing the two new Apple Watches that came out. One is the Apple Series 8, and then the other one is going to be the Apple Watch Ultra. So just to let you know, this size is the 49 millimeters, and this is the smallest one, which is the 41 millimeters. There's different size depending on the size of your wrist. So this is my first time ever unboxing the Ultra. I know there's plenty of YouTubers out there that already did their reviews and their unboxing, but I wanted to stay away from spoilers and see with my own eyes and feel it and see it. So here we go. As you can see already, there's two differences. Look at the size of the box. This is a lot fancier, and this is the little skinny box, but here we go, guys. So the first thing you get is the basic start manual, and it just has all the stuff telling you about what each button does and things like that. Then the second box is the actual watch itself, and you know what's cool? That this has the picture of the watch, and this one is just the Apple logo. But let's open it and see. Whoa, look at this, guys. So Apple Watch Ultra face, it's a lot thicker, as you can see, in width. The difference I know so far between the Ultra and the Series 8 is that this battery life lasts a lot longer, like probably 2 to 3 days. You don't have to charge it every night like the Series 8, but fancy. Alright, and then the last box that's in here is the band. So it comes with this band. You can change out the bands and get different colors and stuff like that, but this is the one that comes with the box itself, as you can see. So that's it so far that's in here. So we're gonna put this together and see how this goes. But yep, and it's a lot heavier too. Okay. So this one is the Series 8. This is the watch itself. Oh my goodness. And I already took that one out the box. I got too excited because this is my watch. As you can see, it's all red because it's my favorite color. And then it comes with this band right here. The sports band. But I decided to get my own band. You can switch out to whatever bands you want. So this is the band I chose to put on there. And then the comparison, as you can see, the difference in size between the Ultra and the Series 8. This is a lot heavier and bigger, obviously, and in weight also. And also in the Ultra, this is the only face screen that this watch can do, because the Series 8 can't have this, oops, this face screen. And it can do a lot of fitness stuff on here, but you know, you can switch, like I said, the cool thing about the Apple Watches is you can put so many different bands on there. So I wanted to compare and show off the different bands that you can switch it to. So this is one of them that I had got, this like silver aluminum looking one. And then I really like, one of my favorite bands is the ones that look like these. I have them in different colors. I got orange, I got green, black. This is like the lace material band. I really like them. They're super comfortable. The only thing they get dirty really easily. So sometimes I like wearing the ones with the holes in it because it's breathable and it's easier to clean. And this is another cool band too. I don't know, I just like it. But so far I think so like I said, you can change out the faces, look just like that, which is pretty cool, neat. And then, you know, I remember when I've been having watches since the Series 1 came out. I've had probably about 4 watches, I believe, because I remember I had the very first Series 1, and then I had the 4, the 6, and now 8, and then the Ultra just came out. So, yes, I've been with the watches for a really long time, but you're gonna laugh because the very first time I ever saw this, I really thought like these little app thingies, they look like Dippin' Dots because they're little small circles. But let me know in the comments below, do you guys have the Ultra? Do you have the Series 8? Or what are your thoughts about it? Like, what do you think about it? Like, so far, I think it's cool. The biggest point for me with this is that, like I said, the battery life lasts really long. So like compared to the 8, I literally have to put this on the charger every single night. This will not last more than a day. That's the reason why the Ultra watch is like super bulky and it's a lot heavier, because it lasts a really long time. You could be doing a lot of things on it and you don't need to charge it right away. Oh, one more thing, guys, I forgot to talk about. When you're getting the watch, just know that it only comes with this USB charger. So if you don't have a USB-C block adapter or whatever you call those, you might want to get one of these because it doesn't come with this. Just like with the iPhones, you know, you have to get your own charger block. So, because this is the USB-C charger.
Braided cable.
Oh, it's different. And then with the Ultra charger, I forgot to tell you guys the difference between the Series 8 and the Ultra charger. I know it's probably hard to see on camera, it's kind of blurry, but this is the braided cable for the charger. So I thought that was pretty cool because it's like almost like, you know, one of the bands, the same material. So I thought that was really cool. Okay, since we're on the topic about chargers, I did want to bring up something. If you guys still have the old charger, like this, for example, if you have one of these things, you can plug it in here and you can still charge it in the USB-C. So, it's another tip if you guys don't have one of these chargers like I do, you can just plug it in here and you can still use USB-C. So I wanted to talk about the prices for both of them because it's a big difference between the Series 8 and the Ultra. So the Series 8 is about $400 and the Ultra is about $800. So I mean, yes, this is a hefty price tag, but I feel like it's totally worth it if you want a watch that you don't have to charge it every night. And it has a lot of like apps that the Series 8 might not be able to function the same, like especially like the fitness stuff. This is the one to go for. So in case you guys are wondering like, oh, what's the difference between how much is the Series 8 and the Ultra. But okay guys, so I had put both the watches, oh this is a little loose, on my hand just so you can see the comparison between them two. But this is what it would look like on your wrist. Of course the Ultra is a little bigger than the 8 because this is a 49 millimeters, I believe. But this is a look at side by side of the Ultra on the left and then the Series 8 on the right, what it will look like if you have it on yours. I hope you guys enjoy this little review and unboxing video of the two Apple Watches, the Series 8 and the Ultra. If you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!